How to fix Hulu can't verify your email. Welcome and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are facing such issue, firstly make sure that you are subscribed to your Hulu package. If yes, check out your email address or any of the credential before you tap on the login button. If you have forgotten your Hulu credential, you can head over and check out the Hulu support and recover the account. If that is not the case, and if there might be any of the bug or the glitch issue, follow this next step. At the very top, you will find a three-dot icon. Just click on it. From here, scroll down and tap on the settings option. In here, navigate to the option of privacy and security. You will find the option of delete browsing data. Just tap on it and tap on delete data. It will clear up all the cache buildup that might be causing this glitch issue. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi is at optimum speed. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you might face this issue as well. So follow this simple instruction and try to log in into your Hulu account again to verify your email. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.